My name is Holly Draper, and I am the creator of Unearthing Holly. Today we are doing layered pudding. It's such a beautiful and cute treat to have. And it's super simple. I got all my ingredients from the dollar store. So let's get into it. So for this dessert, you will need vanilla wafers. You guys can just use packaged pudding for this to just make it super simple. Pretty goblet to really tie the look of everything together. Now, I'm going to take a handful of vanilla wafers and put them in this bag. And what we're going to do with these is we are going to crush them with the back of a spoon. Maybe a few more. We don't need it too much. That's about all you need. Just a handful. Close that up right there. Then I'm going to grab a spoon and start crushing. Cookies, literally like this. Take about a spoonful of crushed cookies and layer the bottom. I'm going to take a scoop of pudding, like so. You can kind of spread it a little bit, kind of making a mess a little bit, but that's okay. Go back in and put a little bit more. See that? For the next layer, whipped cream. I'm going to shake this up a little bit. We're going to go in just like that. One simple layer. Next layer, we're going to go back in with our cookies. Take a spoonful and lay it over top of the whipped cream, and I'm actually going to take about two or three spoonfuls since we have so many. Kind of pat that down a little bit. Then we're going to take another spoonful pudding. I'm actually going to put the rest of the pudding in this. You see how it's starting to look pretty in the glass. Nobody has to know that you went to the dollar store and made this. It's all about presentation, honey. So we're going to kind of spread that evenly. Right? And from there, shake up our whipped cream. And carefully dollop on top. From there, I'm going to take a little bit of cookies. Kind of spread it around the front. Like I said, it's all about presentation. And I'm actually going to take one cookie, actually a half of a cookie, I guess. Done. How pretty is that? I think it's time to. All right, it's time for a taste test. A lot of whipped cream in this one. I go into it. See that? This is so delicious. Guys, try this recipe out. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. See you guys on the next one. Bye bye.